Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we are going to talking about changes in UK skilled worker visas and certificate of sponsorship. The landscape of skilled worker visas in the UK is witnessing a transformative shift with impending changes scheduled to take effect from April 4th, 2024. These revisions, particularly concerning the certificate of sponsorship system, are poised to significantly impact employers and employees alike. Understanding these changes is paramount for navigating the evolving immigration landscape effectively. In this video, we delve into the intricacies of the forthcoming alterations in UK skilled worker visas and certificate of sponsorship, providing comprehensive insights to aid stakeholders in preparing for the transition seamlessly. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming videos. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Changes in UK skilled worker visas and certificate of sponsorship. The landscape of skilled worker visas in the UK is undergoing significant changes, with crucial updates set to take effect from April 4th, 2024. These alterations, particularly concerning the certificate of sponsorship system, are poised to impact both employers and employees. This video aims to delve deep into these changes, providing a comprehensive understanding of what to expect and the necessary actions to undertake. Understanding certificate of sponsorship. The certificate of sponsorship holds paramount importance in the UK visa application process. It acts as a crucial document for both employers and sponsored employees. The impending changes are set to transform the existing system, necessitating a thorough comprehension of the updates. Key changes in immigration rules effective from April 4th, 2024. Several noteworthy amendments are being introduced to the UK's immigration rules. Foremost among these changes is the replacement of the standard occupational classification 2010 system with a SOC 2020 system. This transition will entail alterations to occupation codes and job descriptions, impacting various sectors. Salary threshold increases. Another significant change revolves around the escalation of salary thresholds for skilled workers, global business mobility workers, and seasonal workers. This increase in salary requirements is poised to influence visa applicants across multiple categories. Understanding these alterations is imperative for both prospective applicants and sponsoring employers. Implications for certificate of sponsorship. The modifications and immigration rules directly affect the certificate of sponsorship system. As of April 4th, 2024, the sponsorship management system will be inaccessible, rendering any sponsorship-related activities impossible. During this period, employers must be proactive in managing their sponsorship allocations and ensuring compliance with the updated regulations. Navigating the sponsorship management system. Employers utilizing the sponsorship management system must adhere to the prescribed timelines and procedures from April 2nd to April 4th, 2024. The system will be offline, necessitating careful planning and scheduling of sponsorship-related tasks. Failure to comply with these guidelines may result in disruptions to sponsorship processes. Renewal and allocation of certificates of sponsorship during the designated period of system unavailability. Employers are encouraged to review their certificates of sponsorship allocations and consider requesting additional certificates if needed. Renewal or augmentation of allocations ensures uninterrupted sponsorship operations and facilitates smooth visa processing for sponsored employees. Submission of applications. Employers and sponsored workers must be mindful of the timeline constraints imposed by the system. Downtime. Any pending certificate of sponsorship applications must be submitted before the commencement of the offline period to avoid delays or cancellations. Changes and goes applications and certificate of sponsorship in the UK. Understanding dynamic certificate of sponsorship applications. The dynamic certificate of sponsorship holds pivotal significance in facilitating the employment of skilled workers in the UK. As the deadline approaches, it is imperative for employers to expedite their dynamic certificate of sponsorship applications to avoid cancellations and streamline the visa application process. Key deadlines and cancellations. With the looming deadline today, April 2nd, 2024, employers must meticulously adhere to submission timelines to prevent cancellations of dynamic certificate of sponsorship applications. Any outstanding applications beyond this point will be nullified, necessitating the submission of fresh applications post April 4th, 2024. This underscores the urgency for employers to act promptly and ensure compliance with the revised regulations Revis SO 2020 Occupations Code and salary thresholds effective from April 4, 2024. The incorporation of the revised SO 2020 Occupation Code and salary thresholds marks a significant update in the visa application process. Employers must acquaint themselves with these revisions to accurately assess eligibility criteria and facilitate seamless sponsorship for prospective employees. Importance of defined costs. Employers seeking to avail themselves of defined costs must prioritize timely submissions before the stipulated deadline of April 2, 2024. Failure to adhere to this deadline may result in delays or cancellations, thereby impeding the visa application process. Employers are encouraged to proactively address any pending applications to mitigate potential disruptions. Allocation of certificate of sponsorship. The allocation of certificate of sponsorship holds paramount importance in sponsoring skilled workers. Employers must ensure early provision of certificate of sponsorship with updated salary thresholds and SOCT 2020 occupation codes to expedite the visa application process. Proactive measures in allocating certificate of sponsorship and adhering to prescribed guidelines are imperative to prevent delays or cancellations. Navigating system updates. Employers utilizing the sponsorship management system must remain vigilant of system unavailability during the transition period. Any pending applications or updates must be addressed before the onset of system downtime to prevent disruptions. Employers are advised to stay informed of system updates and adhere to prescribed timelines for seamless transitions. Addressing undefined costs and status updates. Employers must promptly address any undefined costs and ensure compliance with revised regulations before the SDI deadline. Failure to update and assign costs may result in cancellations, necessitating reapplication with updated information. Employers are encouraged to maintain clear communication channels and promptly address any discrepancies to facilitate smooth transitions. The impending changes in dynamic certificate of sponsorship applications and certificate of sponsorship necessitate proactive measures from employers to ensure compliance and prevent disruptions in the visa application process. By adhering to prescribed deadlines, address pending applications, and staying informed of regulatory updates, employers can navigate these changes seamlessly and facilitate smooth transitions for sponsored employees. In conclusion, the impending changes in UK skilled worker visas and certificate of sponsorship mark a pivotal moment in the realm of immigration regulations as employers and employees brace themselves for these transformations. Staying informed and proactive becomes imperative. By understanding the nuances of these revisions and adhering to prescribed guidelines, stakeholders can navigate the visa application process with confidence and ensure compliance with the updated regulations. As we step into this new era of immigration policies, let us embrace these changes with readiness and adaptability, fostering a seamless transition for all involved parties. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.